Jack from Spring Branch has a question about a leaky pipe.
It's his main copper water line in his slab. Jack writes, it seems to me they would have to burst out the concrete, or bust it out anyway, in the utility room to repair that leak. He says he wants to know, would you recommend repairing or replumbing the lines to the attic instead? Because it's a one-story house and replumbing wouldn't be that hard.
Usually, plumbing, people don't realize that water doesn't move in one direction. It all pressurizes up. And then wherever you have an opening, it flows out. So all they're going to do is redirect that feed line somewhere into a pipe of wherever it might be, so then it pressurizes the system up again. So you don't have to replumb the whole house, but they will redirect that one line, and they will isolate underground and just cut it off. You're not going to bust up your slab. You can't, because if you did, with copper, you have to have no joints in the ground, no joints in the slab, so you'd have to run this big copper tube. And probably what happened was they didn't wrap the pipe, and when it touched either the steel in the concrete slab or the concrete itself, the lime or the dissimilar metal from the rebar ate right through it. And you got to be very careful when you put copper through a concrete.
Okay, fair enough.
Is that clear enough?
I'm crystal clear. I like to do that picture. I never thought about the dissimilar metal part. All right, there are a lot of things you don't think about that Tom will, if you send him your question at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it just like these videos yonder, and subscribe to our channel right there.